So I'm trying to get Starcraft for free. So it's basically free. So all you do is go to Starcraft shop, type in Starcraft 1, and Starcraft 1 is free. And I actually bought the 1999 version, but it's similar. It's more widescreen. You'll see. It's just more modern, 1080p. It's really big. Actually, this is even clear. I'm gonna cheat, so screw you guys, alright?
Once your forces have landed, Captain, you'll need to escort our pilots to the battle cruisers themselves. They will be able to commandeer the ships and turn them over to our control.
All right, troops, listen up. Each squad will have a medic assigned to it to patch up the wounded, but that doesn't mean you can get careless. Stay frosty and get the job done. On my way. State the nature of your medical emergency. On my way.
Your forces are under attack.
Where does it hurt? On my way.
Battle information. Outstanding.
I'm on the job.
So yeah, it's 1080p. So that's remastered, and then they're gonna remaster World of Warcraft. I think they're gonna do the same thing. It's not gonna be a big improvement. So that's how you get Starcraft for free. So I'm out, guys. Peace.